Hey, how's it going? Well, today instead of working on the XJ, we're going to be replacing the front bumper cover assembly on this 2013 Ford Escape SEL. We had an accident in it, busted up the right side. We're going to be putting a brand new junkyard find bumper cover assembly on here, so stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to do is jack this sucker up and put some jack stands underneath of it. So we wanted to make sure we get both front tires off the ground, because we're going to have to move them back and forth to get these wheel wells undone and take off the molding. Good idea to have a workbench set up with all the tools you're going to need. I don't have a workbench, it's getting kind of crowded in here, so this is going to have to do. So the pain in the ass bolts is what holds the bumper to the subframe. And they're right there. There's three of them. You can see one, two, and then a third. The best way I found is a regular ratchet and the long 10 millimeter. For the bottom two and the top one, you have to use a short. Break them free and good luck. Just patience, patience, patience. Now, if your tabs are not broken, like these are, you can kind of push them in and start to separate the bumper. These look intact, but they're broken. And we'll switch over here to the other side. And I'm pretty sure you can see that, well, but those are broken. So we're just going to start to separating this bumper carefully. Now right down there on the driver's side is where the wiring harness plugs in for the fog lights, and I had actually previously unplugged it, but you'll need to unplug it probably before dropping it to the ground. It's kind of a tight fit. That is it for the removal of the front bumper cover assembly. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one on. I got the new one over here. Installation is opposite, reverse of what we just did. Make sure, well, I'm gonna make sure to swap the wiring harness out, because I did not get a wiring harness with this front end. So we'll pull that wiring harness out, install it in here, and button this up, and we'll be back to show you the finished product. Stick around. Stay tuned. So really not a whole lot putting it together. Not really hardly any screws, mostly just snap-on stuff. A few screws. But this is the freshly painted junkyard bumper cover. and assembly, and we're going to put it on the 2013 Ford Escape in just a few minutes. Stay tuned. Well, that's going to wrap it up. Good paint match. We're complete. She's down. Wiring harness all in. Like I said, we're going to wrap it up now. Everything's buttoned back up together. Hopefully the next video will be something with the XJ, but maybe not. We got this Ford Escape. It's 2013. We got her road ready back to school. So until next time, we'll be seeing you.